As a business owner, staying ahead of technology is essential to maintaining your competitive edge. Managing IT systems in-house can often be time-consuming, expensive, and risky. In this video, we'll share 3 key benefits of hiring a professional IT company. Running a business is already challenging enough without having to deal with IT headaches. A professional IT company can provide the expertise, tools, and support you need to ensure your systems run smoothly and securely. Here are 3 major benefits of working with an IT provider. Number 1, improved security. Cybersecurity threats are on the rise, and businesses of all sizes are at risk. A professional IT company can implement security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems to protect your data from hackers and malware. They also stay updated on the latest threats and proactively secure your network to prevent breaches before they happen. Number 2, cost savings. Managing IT in-house can be expensive, with costs for equipment, software, and staff adding up quickly. By hiring a professional IT company, you gain access to enterprise-grade tools and expertise without the overhead of maintaining a full-time IT team. IT providers also help reduce downtime, which can save your business significant revenue in the long run. Number 3, access to expertise and innovation. Technology evolves quickly, and it can be hard to keep up. IT companies specialize in staying ahead of trends, giving you access to the latest solutions tailored to your business needs. From cloud services to automation tools, they help you leverage technology to improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Hiring a professional IT company can take the stress out of managing your technology while helping your business thrive. If you're interested in learning more about how our team can support your IT needs, give our team a call. We are happy to help.